Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to share with you turning right on Crossroads. Many, they get confused on turning right on a crossroad, whether it's from a major road into a minor road or from a minor road into a major road. So in this video, I'd like to clarify so that you understand when you are turning right on a crossroad. Main focus in this video is to turn right on a crossroad from a major road into a minor road and also from a minor road into a major road. I hope this video helps. First I will explain and then I will show you how it's done in practice on the road. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and let's start the lesson. Now this time, because you're going right, we have to make sure if somebody comes ahead, they have priority. So we would be stopping here in the middle. Somebody coming from here, we are going right. We are in the major road. They have to wait for us. So if they go there left, no problem, but they can't come in because we have to go there and then go there. So if they wait for us, even if we want to go right, because the crossroad is facing each other, you have to go there before they turn, so they have to wait for us. Okay, so they will wait for us to go wherever they want to go. If they want to go there left or there right or straight, they have to wait for us to enter. The only thing we have to do is wait for a car coming from this way. So we would go, and if there's a car coming, we would wait here and let them go. Okay, now, so someone coming from here, we would wait here and let them go. If they want to go there, we'll have to wait for them as well. The only thing is, if they want to go right, okay, if they want to go there right, and we want to go right, who has priority? And this is the situation where no one has priority. So you both have to make a decision by looking at each other. So if they're signaling on their right, and you are signaling for your right, you're both going right, which means you've got two choices. One choice is to go a little bit further and they could go, and you could go back of each other. Okay? Or you could go front of each other. So you could go that way and they could go that way. Okay? Depending on how the crossroad is laid out. If it's facing each other, normally you probably would be, one of you probably will wait, or you probably will go and behind each other. Okay, the only thing is, if you go front of this car, so if he goes this way and if you want to go front, or if he stops and you go front, just make sure there is no bike coming here, because your view is going to be restricted. Just make sure there is no bike coming here before you enter. So you enter, come here, give a good look, no one coming, and then you enter into this road. So this junction is slightly this way, this one is this way. So there it would be easier facing, using front of each other. Okay, there maybe back of each other. Okay, because it's facing each other, the crossroad. But it depends on, you both will make a decision what will be the best solution to go. Now let's talk about coming from minor road into major road on crossroads. But if you want to go right and they want to go straight, they have priority. They want to go there left, they have priority. But if they want to go right and you want to go right, okay, who's got priority? No one, because you both want to go right, and according to the highway code, no one's got priority on those situations. So like I said before, you have to look at each other and find clues who's going to go first. So say you came and they were already there, assume they've got priority. It's only fair they go first. But they let you go, you carry on going. What are the clues do we look for to know which way they're going? If they want to go there right, they probably will position towards right slightly. You could look at their wheel and see which way the wheel is, and look at them. Maybe you could see their eyes. They're looking both ways and they're not looking at you and you're confused, don't go. If they've seen you and they're not going and it's clear both ways, maybe they want you to go, then you carry on. So depending on when you come here, you'll make a decision by looking at them, looking at their car, and then you'll find clues which way they want to go. If they want to go straight, normally they will keep their car straight. If they want to go left, normally they will slightly towards left. If they want to go right, they will stop slightly towards right. So depending on, look at them, give them an eye contact, and then decide amongst you who's going to go first. But like I said, if they are here already, let them go. But if they don't go, you carry on going. Now here we are approaching a crossroad, and we will be turning right, which means top and right mirror, signal right, think of our position, think of our speed. But this time, this crossroad we are approaching is from a minor road, which means the road going across is the main road, which means we have to give way to that road. It's like a T-junction. So basically we come to the, similar to a T-junction. So we come up to the line and we will wait and give way whoever is on that main road. The difference is we also have another road coming from ahead, which makes a crossroad. Now, what if there was somebody coming from that road? If they are going straight, they have priority. If they are going on their left, they have priority. But if they are going their right and we are also going right, that's when no one has priority according to the highway code, which means we have to communicate and see who's going to go first. If they came first at the junction, we will assume they have priority and let them go first. But if they let us go and they're not going, we will go first. So it's all about communicating on those situations. Look at the position of their car, how they are positioned, how they stopped. So these are the clues that we're going to see before we decide who's going to go first. We are approaching another crossroad coming from the minor road, approaching across a major road, and it's the same. So we will approach and then we will give way anyone on this main road, and looking at the road ahead, if there was somebody coming, we have to think who's going to go first if they are going on their right. But if they are going straight or on their left, they have priorities. It's when they are going their right and we are going on our right, that's when the problem is. And the other thing is, if that car ahead wants to go their right, but we want to go straight or we want to go our left, that means we have priority. On this crossroad coming up, we will be turning right from this major road into the minor road. So we looked at the mirror, we signaled, we positioned ourselves, and then we will see when we can go. We also see the car coming from ahead wants to go on their right and they flashed, which means they're telling us that they are there, they're waiting for us. So then we will look all around to see if it's safe, especially the road that we want to go in. Is it safe to go in? And it is, and we will make the turn. Now the turn we will make in this case is front of them because they stopped before the junction. If they came a little bit more further, we could have gone behind them. On this crossroad coming up, we will be turning right, which means top and right mirror, signal right, position towards the center, so left of center, and then we will turn right. As you can see, there are two cars already waiting on each side. The reason because we are in the main road, so we have priority and they'll have to wait for us. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.